Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for making cartoony waters or water surfaces in our Unity. In the past I already explained how we can have cartoony 2D waters and in your Unity project. You can find this tutorial on my short tutorials playlist. But in this video, I want to introduce a package for having cartoony waters in 3D. Okay, let's find this 3D package. Iron Warrior made this package 6 years ago, and as you can see, it is very beautiful. You just need to, however, I will share the link of this package under the description of this video for sure. You just need to come over here, click on download zip. After that you will drag and drop assets folder into your projects folder. Then exactly like what I've done here, I have Toon Water, and there is a sample scene for that, and it contains this beautiful lake. Now let's play this scene and look at this. It is very beautiful. And now look at this. It's clumsy and beautiful. And here, if you open it and put it down, or look at these white surfaces, they are dynamic, and if you can see the depth, it's changed, responsive. It is very beautiful. And if I make it bigger, look at this. Now I want to change the colors. Look at the in the Toon Water there is a material shader, Royston Toon Water Tot, and here you can change the color of the overall water color, and it is for the color of depth. Look at this. In the deeper places the color will be red, for example, and here this is the foam color. Look at this. I can change it to red or even transparent it as you wish. And here you can change the surface nose cutoff. By default it is 777, and now I make it very much or very tight. Look at this. But 777 is better. And also surface distortion amount. Look at this. The foam will be bigger at this part, at this number situation, and here it will be very small, but I prefer the original one. Okay, and here we can change the foam maximum distances. It will be something like this. Alright, I think we have another shader for this one as well. Let me figure it out, and it is unlit shadow caster, but now it's for overall. You can give it a color for the whole water. It is the same action for that floating objects, but with the consistent color for the whole water if you want. But I prefer that previous one. Honestly, it is much more beautiful. And here you can change the surface distortion with tiling. Look at this. It will be something like this, or changing the offset of this distortion. Alright, this is it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.